Hey, Shamus, you like melons? How you like them melons?
I like it. Really good.
Yeah, real good, man.
Thanks for opening it for me.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Actually, really good, actually. Do more.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be working on elbows. I'm going to show you two different types of ways to do these elbows. One is a power way and one is a speed way, okay? So we're going to start with our right hand first. We're going to do the power version first. So our left leg's going to be in front, hands are up nice and high, elbows are in to protect ourselves. With my right hand, I'm going to bring my elbow out. I'm going to bring my hand into my chest. When I do this, notice my elbow kind of pushes out, okay? You want that extra little oomph into your strike. So I'm going to bring that arm up, elbow in nice and tight. I'm going to step forward with my front leg, turn my hips. Every strike comes from your hips, your core. So I'm going to turn, and when I do, I'm going to rotate my elbow in a downwards position. Here, where I strike straight bone, okay? So I bring it back, one time a little bit faster, bring it in, and back, and then one time full speed. Okay, there's your strong power elbow. But that same side, you're going to do the speed version. Speed version, you're going to have your other foot in front. Hands are going to be up. This is if that opponent is right next to you. They're real close. We're here. All we're going to do, same concept. Hand into the chest, making sure that elbow pops out. You're going to turn your hips, rotate, and then you're going to elbow right here. Just like that. So one time slow. Here, just a quick little twitch in your body. Okay? So let us know in that comment section which you prefer or which one feels a little bit better for you. Everybody's body works differently. You have the power version where you step in, and you have the up close version here with the elbow, just like that. Let us know what you like better and prefer. What we're going to do now, we're going to do the other side, just so that you can see it, just for my lefties, so the ones who are left-handed, they can get that down. So right leg in front this time, hands are up nice and high. Remember, hand goes into the chest, making sure that elbow pops out. I'm going to give a little step with my front leg, turning those hips, and I connect. One time slow, connect, hands up to protect my face, bring it back, a little bit faster, and one time full speed. Okay, there's your power elbow, and then same thing, left leg will be in front for my lefties, hands up, hand into the chest, making sure that elbow pops out, turn your body, there's no step on this one, and strike. Okay, one time slow, and fast again. Okay, those are both elbows. Those are the two different ways, speed and power ways. Remember, if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe at the bottom, check out more, and see what we got. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Oh, so you like melons, huh? How you like them melons?
Wait, no, I was gonna eat that.
Oh, she was gonna eat that. I did it! Yes! That's what I call a good melon. That one was a lot stronger.